In the mattress category, value isn't just about the sticker price. It's about how a bed balances pressure relief, support, temperature regulation, durability, and noise, all while fitting the buyer's frame size and sleep position. The 5 models in this comparison cover a spectrum from lightweight budget foam to robust hybrid constructions.
List number 1. PurJoy's Full Mattress. The PurJoy's Full 10-inch hybrid combines pocketed coils with dual memory foam layers, wrapped in a breathable knit cover. It markets a medium-firm feel with individually encased springs designed to minimize partner disturbance and provide targeted pressure relief. The construction aligns with typical medium-firm hybrids intended to support a broad range of sleeper types, including back and combination sleepers. The setup notes emphasize box roll delivery and a 72-hour full expansion window with a 100-night trial and 10-year warranty, signaling brand confidence. Performance insights show strong motion isolation due to the pocketed coil system, and the dual foam layers are positioned to balance contouring with support. The mattress is designed to relieve pressure points, particularly along the shoulders and hips, while maintaining spinal alignment for many adult sleepers. However, without explicit coil count or density data, precise comparisons to other hybrids are limited. The 75 by 54 by 10 dimension indicates a full-size footprint with a relatively tall profile, which can influence edge usability and foundation compatibility. The target audience likely includes couples who value reduced motion transfer and people with back or neck discomfort looking for a plush but supportive surface.
List number 2. Queen Mattress 10-inch queen-size hybrid mattresses in a box. The Mobius 10-inch Queen Hybrid blends individually wrapped pocket coils with premium memory foam, marketed as fiberglass-free and CertaPur US certified. The top style is a Euro top, and the dimensions are 80 by 60 by 10 inches. The price is not listed in the dataset, but the product emphasizes ease of setup, unroll and allow 48 to 72 hours for full expansion, and cross-frame compatibility. The multi-layer construction aims to deliver both pressure relief and robust support, with a focus on breathability and motion isolation. Deeper performance analysis shows strong emphasis on temperature regulation and reduced motion transfer, aided by a pocketed coil system and breathable cover materials. The mattress is positioned for a wide range of sleepers, including couples, with emphasis on stability during transitions and a balanced medium-firm feel. The lack of explicit density values makes it harder to quantify long-term durability against edge sag, but the 10-inch profile and CertaPur US and Okio-Tex certifications suggest careful material selection. A key use case is couples seeking a cooler, more responsive hybrid that minimizes partner disruption while maintaining solid support.
List number 3. EgoHome 8-inch Twin Mattress. The EgoHome 8-inch twin memory foam mattress emphasizes pressure relief with a green tea gel infusion for cooling. It uses a multi-layer memory foam composition, certified by CertaPur US, with a tight top surface and a 75 by 38 by 8-inch footprint aimed at kids or twin or bunk bed setups. The product highlights include a breathable foam structure, a fiberglass-free construction, and temperature regulation features intended to deliver a consistent feel across varying climates. In practice, the mattress targets balanced support for multiple sleep positions, with a focus on reducing joint stress and improving circulation. The green tea gel infusion contributes to a perceived cooling effect, though actual temperature differences can vary by room and body type. The twin size makes it a versatile option for smaller bedrooms, guest rooms, or children. However, the 8-inch profile may compromise edge support and overall durability relative to thicker hybrids, especially for heavier individuals or those needing long-term structural resilience.
List number 4. Extra Firm Queen Mattress. The ViscoFlex 12-inch Queen is a higher profile, extra firm hybrid designed for spinal alignment and targeted support. It features a pocketed coil system reinforced with durable steel and a multi-layer foam setup, marketed with spinal alignment benefits, motion isolation, and a 365-night trial. The heavier construction
aims at users who prefer a sturdier feel or require robust support to reduce stiffness after waking. Performance considerations show strong edge support and motion isolation due to the high compression springs and layered foams. The 12-inch thickness improves overall durability and provides a more pronounced support zone for heavier sleepers or those who need a firmer feel. A notable caveat is the lack of listed price and relatively limited public reviews, as indicated by 48 ratings, which may affect shopper confidence. The fiberglass-free design aligns with safety-conscious buyers who want CertiPure US and Oeko-Tex standards.
List number 5. Novella Queen Mattress in a Box. Novella's 8-inch queen foam mattress emphasizes cooling with nanogel-infused memory foam and a 3-layer configuration for balanced support and pressure relief. It is 30% US certified with Oeko-Tex certified cover materials, designed for easy setup in a box and a 10-year protection plan. The 8-inch height keeps the footprint slim, appealing to budget-conscious buyers or smaller spaces seeking a credible all-foam option with cooling attributes. In use, the nanogel technology is intended to improve heat absorption and airflow, contributing to a cooler sleeping environment. The 3-layer foam stack aims to reduce motion transfer while maintaining spinal alignment for common sleeping positions. While all foam mattresses can compress a bit more quickly under heavier users, Novella's high-density foams are designed to maintain shape and reduce lingering body impressions. The combination of memory foam, supportive base foam, and a breathable liet cover makes this a strong all-around pick for single sleepers or couples in cooler climates who prioritize quiet, undisturbed sleep.